Severe weather, including heavy rains and storm winds, wreaked havoc in parts of Poland earlier this week, prompting over 900 firefighter dispatches, according to State Fire Service spokesman Karol Kurowski. The southern Silesia province was hit hardest, with firefighters pumping water from flooded buildings and removing fallen trees. Torrential rains turned streets into rivers in Bielsko-Biała, as reported by Polish radio's IAR news agency. Despite the severe conditions, no injuries were reported by Tuesday morning. The government has been proactive, sending millions of text alerts about potential storms, local flooding, and power outages. Emergency shelters have been set up for displaced residents, and public health officials are monitoring water quality to prevent disease outbreaks. The agricultural sector has reported significant crop damage, with the Ministry of Agriculture assessing the situation to provide aid. The Polish government is also pledging additional resources for infrastructure repairs and future resilience against extreme weather. Communities are coming together, with volunteers and charities providing essential support to those affected.
Co wyjechali tym lupu od Oliwki. Tyłem tutaj wyjeżdżałem. Jak próbowałem tu do przodu podjechać, chłopie, to by mnie zalało.
Do połowy. Ja.